Substack Notes is a feature that enhances reader engagement by allowing creators to share thoughts, updates, and shorter content outside of traditional newsletters. Here's how to effectively use Substack Notes. Access Notes. Log into your Substack account and navigate to the Notes section. This is usually found in the main dashboard. Create a note. Click on New Note to start writing. You can share quick thoughts, updates about your newsletter, or commentary on current events relevant to your audience. Format your content. Use basic formatting options like bold, italics, and lists to enhance readability. You can also add images, links, or videos to make your notes more engaging. Interact with readers. Notes can spark conversations. Encourage your subscribers to comment on your notes to create a dialogue and foster community engagement. Share widely. After publishing, share your notes on social media or link to them in your newsletters to reach a broader audience. This helps keep your content fresh and visible. Monitor engagement. Keep track of how your notes are received. Use reader feedback to adjust your content strategy accordingly.